Rotarian Dr. Venkateswara, District Governor-elect from the Rotary Club of Vizianagaram. Happy morning to all of you. India is declared polio on March 27, 2014. This day, March 27, 2024, we have completed 10 years of polio-free India. You know, as the nation celebrates a decade of being polio-free, it just simply is not a celebration of the health victory. It is a celebration of the many people with their relentless effort, strong determination, and collaboration and cooperation of the many Rotarians like us across the India. So, journey of the polio eradication was fraught with many challenges. If you consider, because India is a diverse, huge population with diverse cultures, diverse landscapes, with many rural areas and tribal areas, with many difficult challenges like misbeliefs and misconceptions about the polio drops. In spite of all these things, we have completed 10 years of polio free India. It is not a simple task because we have to satisfy the public with our continuous surveillance and continuous health education and awareness campaigns by the Rotarians, by the healthcare workers, by the doctors across the India, so that we have achieved this polio-free India for the last 10 years. Second thing is, it is not a simple thing to eradicate polio India unless there is a collaboration with international organizations like World Health Organization, UNICEF, CDC, as well as the Bill and Melinda Foundation. Even $1 contributed by the any person, the Bill Gates under his foundation, Bill and Melinda Foundation, they have contributed $2. So that no, because of all these efforts by the international organization, including the central government, state governments, and countries across the world, we have achieved polio free in many countries across the world, except in Afghanistan and Pakistan. Still, as long as the polio is there in the world, India is not safe, even the world is not safe. So that is why we request everyone, though India is free from polio for last 10 years, still we have, as a healthcare workers, as a professionals, including the Rotarians across the India, we should be vigilant to see that the polio eradicated from the Pakistan and Afghanistan also. So for that to accommodate all these things, we need a lot of funds, especially that is why, though India is free from polio for the last 10 years, still we are requesting people to donate towards the polio because of the strong surveillance, maintenance of the cold chain, as well as the booth management. So many things. So that is why let us celebrate across the country. The India is free from polio for the last 10 years. The first declared case is on the January 13th, 2011, and World Health Organization has declared India is free from polio on the March 27th, 2014. Thank you very much.